This market is nice dogs the best things in life are rescued shirt. This might very well be a naive and stupid question. But what actually hinders you from brute forcing your way to solving the biggest problems we face? Even more than you do now, on your own, rather than trying to invest into solving these problems. Is it just that even someone in your position has limited capabilities of solving problems on your own, or do you believe that it's more desirable to have solved these problems as a community in the future? Greetings, Bill. I noticed your nice dogs the best things in life are rescued shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, hoodie. That nice dogs the best things in life are rescued shirt. The middle class of developing countries are hesitant about how climate agreements affecting the economic development of their countries by depriving them of the cheap energy they need to grow their industry. What do you see as the path forward? How can climate agreements be fair to develop an other product?